Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to create a form in WordPress without a plugin. We will begin by understanding why this method offers greater control and potentially faster site performance. First, navigate to your desired page or post in the WordPress editor. Then, add a custom HTML block. This block is where you will paste your form's code. This approach gives you complete flexibility over your form's structure and appearance, saving you from relying on third-party tools. Now, let's populate your form with essential fields. You will use standard HTML input tags for text, email addresses, and even numbers. Remember to give each input a distinct name attribute, which is crucial for processing the data later. The ID attribute is also important for styling and accessibility. Finally, add a Submit button. This button will allow users to send their information, making your form interactive and ready for user input. With your form structure in place, it is time to make it visually appealing. You can add custom CSS directly within your theme's customizer or by using a child theme's style sheet. Target your form elements using their ID or class attributes. Experiment with properties like background colors, font sizes, and padding to match your site's design. Remember to test your form on different devices to ensure it looks great and functions perfectly on screens of all sizes. The final step is to make your form functional by handling submissions. A common approach involves using a small PHP script to process the data and send it to your email address. You will need to create a separate PHP file and link your form's action attribute to it. This script will collect the submitted information and forward it. Always remember to implement basic security checks to protect against common vulnerabilities, ensuring your form is both effective and secure for your users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.